Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
The XRP price is stoking the flames of its FOMO as it hovers just above the broken daily trend channel at 89 cents, which shows that the barrier has been broken. Investors seem to be re-entering the market with a renewed sense of confidence. The price of XRP has risen to the top of the cryptocurrency world priority list after bulls broke through a key resistance level. The recent spike in the price of XRP signals an optimistic environment for cryptocurrency in the coming weeks. This development has occurred despite the fact that the stock market has had rather moderate price activity. It needs to be seen if this signals a decoupling of the crypto sector from its historically high connection with other risk assets, as has been seen in the past. More news about the ongoing lawsuit between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple, XRP parent firm, continues to generate favorable emotions among cryptocurrency investors, which is good news for XRP. Specifically, certain facts apparently demonstrating that the Securities and Exchange Commission did not consider XRP to be a security prior to the case have some investors optimistic about the prospect of the case being dismissed. However, there is a possibility that the price of XRP might drop. It depends on how Russia would respond to the sanctions that were imposed by the West. The danger is that Russia will not stay quiet and will not accept any concessions, and will want to maintain control over every region and city in which it has influence. As a result, the peace negotiations would suffer a setback, and the price of XRP would plummet to $0.8390 in the first phase and then to 78 cents in the second phase, representing an 8% correction to the negative. What do you think is the reason behind the XRP price surge? Also, an additional factor that may have an influence on the price of XRP has been observed by us. So, as reported by Whale Alert, 12 million XRP tokens were transferred from the Bittrex exchange to an anonymous crypto wallet address. According to CoinMarketCap, it occurred during a period in which the sixth biggest cryptocurrency, XRP, had a 6.50% price increase. According to a tweet from Whale Alert, an unidentified whale has transferred 12 million XRP tokens to an unregistered wallet address. This quantity of cryptocurrency is almost equivalent to 10 million US dollars. And in the Ripple lawsuit, in the Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple Labs dispute, a new development happened when the defendant wrote a request to have the Securities and Exchange Commission punished for gamesmanship, which was filed in court. Well, if you are not familiar with the backstory of it, allow me to explain. So, the Securities and Exchange Commission just obtained the testimony of Dr. Albert Metz, who wrote an opinion on whether Ripple Labs had been manipulating the price of the cryptocurrency XRP. Dr. Metz, a former officer with the United States Department of Justice, came to the conclusion that Ripple public pronouncements had affected the price of XRP. Despite the fact that Metz's finding would not be a smoking gun, that XRP is a security if allowed in court, it would likely provide some supporting evidence to the Securities and Exchange Commission case, but if allowed in court. Ripple, on the other hand, is not having it. It submitted a motion to have the Metz report removed from the trial in a tersely written letter. According to the letter, the Securities and Exchange Commission failed to make a required disclosure under Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 26A of the Securities Exchange Act. As a result, Ripple contends the evidence contained inside it is inadmissible. If Ripple prevails in this move, it will have amassed yet another procedural victory, which may provide it with the power to reach a settlement on more favorable terms. Ripple accuses Securities and Exchange Commission of gamesmanship. Well, Ripple has had a long-standing adversarial position against the plaintiffs in the Securities and Exchange Commission complaint from its start. It has accused them of being prejudiced and said that the whole case is built on false assumptions, which they deny. Ripple's recent motion is a continuation of the company's harsh comments. In its letter submitted to the court, Ripple said, a continuance of the Securities and Exchange Commission motion would reward the regulators for its gamesmanship and further prejudice defendants. Ripple has used strong language to signal that it intends to fight this battle to the very end. Will this benefit XRP holders? What do you think? Tell us in the comments. As we have seen, Ripple Labs is fighting the Securities and Exchange Commission in court. The question is whether or not this is relevant to XRP holders in the first place. Yes, it is. In fact, it has the potential to be of significant significance for the entire cryptocurrency industry. Despite the fact that cryptocurrencies are decentralized, they rely on the support of organizations to function. Ripple Labs is responsible for the upkeep of Ripple blockchain, the development of RippleNet, and the promotion of the cryptocurrency XRP. All of these behind-the-scenes activities contribute to the growth of demand for the XRP token. In some cases, like when Ripple Labs recruits a company to accept XRP as a payment option, this can result in a greater number of XRP transactions. This, in turn, has the potential to increase demand for the XRP cryptocurrency. It can also result in positive publicity. All of these factors have the potential to drive the price of XRP higher in the long run. All of this would be jeopardized if the commission lawsuit were to be successful. Also, the Security and Exchange Commission are requesting that Ripple Labs pay them $1.3 billion in damages, plus interest. A massive financial liability of this magnitude could create a drain on the organization, preventing it from concentrating on tasks that support XRP growth. If Ripple prevails, it will be relieved of the burden of that liability, as well as the burden of complying with securities regulations. As a result, it will be easier to make XRP the finest coin it possibly can be. The same is true of the whole cryptocurrency industry. If the Security and Exchange Commission wins the lawsuit, it would set a precedent that will compel the Ethereum Foundation and others to register their tokens as securities under the Securities and Exchange Act. They would be subjected to significant financial and administrative hardship as a result of this. And if Ripple succeeds, Ether investors and others will most likely gain indirectly. Also, an application to redact sections of significant documents, including certain notes from discussions with third parties, was submitted by the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to the Security and Exchange Commission, the notes are protected by the deliberative process privilege, a common law rule that protects internal agency information. Part of the motion has that the handwritten portions in question expressly reflect either, first, the author's thoughts regarding subject matters discussed during meetings or, second, deliberations among the Security and Exchange Commission staff during meetings. The Security and Exchange Commission is attempting to redact the notes that Valery Shepanik, the Commission crypto czar, made during a February 2014 meeting with Stanford Law School professor Joseph Grundfest and then Commissioner Daniel Gallagher, which focused on the legal position of Bitcoin. According to James Phelan, the defendants Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, and Chris Larson submitted a move for an extension of time to reply to the Security and Exchange Commission proposed redactions on March 26, and the motion was just approved. Also, according to the most recent development, the judge has approved the Ripple petition for further time with respect to the redacted papers, which were submitted earlier this month. On Twitter, James Phelan announced the latest news. A text-only order was issued by the court, according to the attorney, granting the client request. James K. Phelan tweeted that the Ripple request for extra time regarding the redacted documents was granted in a text-only order. The Security and Exchange Commission is directed to produce the redacted documents for defendants' assessment by March 30, 2022. Defendants' response is due April 4, 2022. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.